Hey guys, and welcome to AXZ Garage. My name's Alex, and this is my channel for unboxing, car product reviews, and part installation. Today, I'll be unboxing the CTEK Multi US 7002 battery charger and maintainer. Let's have a look at the box. As you can see on the front, we have our battery charger here, some alligator clamps, and some eyelet terminals with the Comfort Connect. So one of the main reasons why I bought it is so I can have the Comfort Quick Connect, so I can install it in my car, and I can quickly charge it and maintain the battery without having to use alligator clamps. And CTEK is one of the top rated companies. Let's go ahead and look at the side here. It's multi-purpose for cars, boats, scooters, motorcycles, ATVs, tractors, campers, if not more. It is a 12 volt, 7 amp battery charger, and it does come with a 5-year warranty. On the back here, you have a couple highlights in different languages. Also just shows you the CTEK 8 steps for perfect batteries. Okay, the different stages there. And it also should come with a storage bag, the alligator clamps as we saw, and the eyelet terminals for quick Comfort Connect. On the other side here, this is for all types of 12 volt lead acid batteries. Okay, all right, let's get to unboxing here. All right. So let's take out these alligator clamps and the eyelets. Comes with a couple things in the back here, which we'll go over first. Got the precautionary stickers here. Manual, quite a few pages. Looks like we have English, Spanish, and French. Okay. Also comes with this cool storage bag, as it should. Feels pretty sturdy, well made. Doesn't feel like it's gonna rip right away or anything like that. Nice big area pocket. Then in the back here, looks like you can put the manual or even some of the wires. Okay. All right, let's see what else. Okay, here is one of the reasons why I got it, for these eyelets that you can install, leave in your car, and you can use the Comfort Quick Connect. Okay. It's about a foot long or so. And of course you have your traditional alligator clamps, which also has the Quick Connect, and the charger. It's not too heavy. Feels about a pound, a little over a pound. Nice gold case, nice and locked in. Okay, has one button here for different modes. And it shows your progress of your maintenance on your battery or charging. Okay, then you have this cord, which is the Quick Connect. Let's go ahead and undo this guy right here. Okay, nice long extension, probably a good 4 to 5 feet. And there is actually an extra extension you can put on this. Then you have your part that plugs into the wall here. Which looks to be about 4 or 5 feet as well. So you have a good possible 8 to 10 feet. All right, great. On my next video, I'm actually going to install this using the Quick Connect, the Comfort Connect eyelet terminals on my 350Z. Like I said, that's one of the main reasons why I bought this. Don't drive the car every day. I would like to maintain the battery. I do have a yellow top Optima battery, which this is good for. Okay, all right. All right, please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.